Alright, this video is on a Vulcan 25 cal regulator. I'm going to show how to restack the level washer or spring washers. Alright, the two cups should be facing, I put two washers together facing the same direction, and another set. It'd be in that, like that. Well, you can do it two in a row. Make sure cup facing in, and the other set two facing inward. You just gotta double check and make sure the cup is facing the right direction. There you go. It's like 4 sets. It's like 2 cups per set, right? Like 2 and 2 facing each other. Alright, we'll see you in our next video. Alright, this section here, we're going to reassemble it on a Vulcan regulator. For this video, I installed the dishwashers. Alright, you gotta pre-lube this baby here. It's low pressure, high pressure side. And it goes in like this. Usually you wanna lube it, you put it in. Alright. Then slide on the other half of the body. This doesn't have to be that tight. It could be hand tight, or you grab a wrench. Let's see one here. What you do is we use this jeweler's needle nose. I use this as a spanner wrench, right? And as most people have adjustable wrenches, you just kind of lightly tighten it up. Then we'll put the seat in. This is going to require a hex. Usually, well, you should measure this before you even start off. Is from here to enter the brass, but I'm gonna do the start from scratch on this one. What I do is I tighten down till I stop. That means the seat, the brass seat, is buttered in with the Delron seat. So I just back it out a turn like that. Then tighten down a little bit. Then we'll put on the reg tester and see where it's at, and we'll do some final adjustment to get it maybe around 140 bars. That's the target point. All right.